I get a ton of questions about the coaching business that I have. My channels, all 6 of them on social media, have kind of exploded, And I realized something. A lot of people, especially our age, are like, what does a coach do? Life coach? I'm an accountability coach. I'm not a therapist. It's not what I do. We talk a little bit about that. Or maybe you're a motivational speaker, Matt Foley. It's not that. Some people think an accountability coach is someone that's going to give them directions on every day how to live their life. Nope, I don't have time for that. But let me explain to you exactly what it is that I do, okay? First, again, not a therapist. I am not a doctor. Not a licensed counselor, don't have any sobriety specialties. Somebody needs those services. You need to get with a qualified licensed professional on those, 100%. But what I do is completely different. I work with people who know what they need to do, but are struggling to do this every day. Maybe it's your weight loss. Maybe it's your recovery. Maybe it's a hard divorce. Maybe it's your money, being away from your kids. Maybe they're just trying to rebuild their life, lose weight, your health has gone bad. Most people don't fail because you don't have the information and don't know what to do. Most people fail because they start and then they can't continue. And that's what I do. A coach gives you someone, in some instances daily, to make a plan, someone to ask the hard questions. I'm always on your side, but I'm going to ask you the questions. Someone who notices when you're drifting off course. Sometimes someone who reminds you that one bad day doesn't mean your life is over. My coaching is super simple. For some people, we do weekly 30-ish minute phone calls and we work through goals, some of your challenges and some of your progress. For others, it's different. I add in daily text support and accountability for a different level in between those phone calls. Never judging, no lectures, no pretending that I have all the answers. I don't. Just honest conversation from somebody who's been there and where you are, where you want to go, and what really needs to happen to get you to where you want to be. I spent decades blaming everybody else for my problems. The biggest change in my life happened when I started taking responsibility for my own decisions. That's what I try to help my coaching folks with. I'm not perfect. Not because I have it all figured out. I don't. But because I've been through so many of the things that the people that I'm coaching and their struggles and understand it. If you're serious about rebuilding your life and you think having somebody in your corner will help, send me a direct message on here. I'd love to hear your story and see if you and I might work together. I appreciate you guys watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.